Hi, my name is Lily. I'm a senior from Baylor University, and I'm a part of the C.O.R.E team at Camp Ozark. The C.O.R.E team stands for Customers, Operations, Relations, and Experience. In other words, I've had the opportunity to serve in a diverse range of roles where I get to meet and interact with campers, parents, and staff. The ability to be flexible yet focused is key for me, as we have routine duties each week but also encounter daily problems that must be solved. The 3 positions within the C.O.R.E team include working in retail services at one of the 3 storefronts at camp, office administration, working alongside many of the permanent staff to help with camp communication and operations, and the post office, where a fast-paced, behind-the-scenes crew helps handle the hundreds of packages and letters that flow in and out of camp each day. One of the things I like about the C.O.R.E team is that I get the chance to be independent and take initiative. The responsibilities that I receive allow me to grow in learning how to manage my schedule and accomplish tasks confidently and joyfully. I am also so thankful for the community and support I get day in and day out. Working alongside some really amazing people makes everything so fun, and it allows me to share that fun with the kids and parents I interact with. The C.O.R.E team isn't easy. It's hard work and pushes me to the best of my potential, but it's so worth it.